In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view all completed tasks in ClickUp in just a few clicks. This is super useful if you want to review past work, track productivity, or quickly find tasks that are already marked as done. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and log into your ClickUp account using your email and password. Once you're inside your workspace, make sure you're on any page within ClickUp where keyboard shortcuts are enabled. Next, on your keyboard, press Ctrl+K. This opens ClickUp's Command Center, which lets you quickly navigate to different areas without clicking through menus. When the command menu pops up, start looking through the options and click on Tasks. This will take you directly to the Tasks view. From here, you'll be able to see your tasks, including those that are completed, depending on your current filters. If you don't see completed tasks right away, make sure your filters are set to include completed or closed tasks. And that's it. You've successfully opened the Tasks view in ClickUp and can now access all your completed tasks whenever you need them. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy ClickUp guides. Thanks for watching.